Ocean Jasper's spiritual meaning, healing, joy, and earth connection. Have you ever touched something that instantly made your heart soften, your breath slow, and your mind settle, like the earth itself was whispering to your soul? That's the quiet power of Ocean Jasper. It's not just a stone. It's a portal to deep healing, unshakable joy, and reconnection with the earth's wisdom. Found only in Madagascar, and accessible only at low tide, Ocean Jasper is as rare as the peace it brings. It's been called the Atlantis Stone, a name that hints at its mythical energy, an echo from ancient civilizations, buried knowledge, and elemental balance. Just as the tides retreat to reveal it, so too does this stone gently uncover what we've hidden inside: emotional wounds, forgotten joys, and the urge to truly feel again. Ocean Jasper is a storyteller in stone. Its orbs, patterns, and oceanic swirls mirror the cycles of life and nature. They invite reflection, encouraging us to ride our emotional waves with grace rather than resistance. Like a tide washing over the soul, it clears away stagnation and invites renewal. This crystal is especially powerful for those who carry emotional burdens quietly. It encourages release without drama, healing without force. It works primarily through the heart chakra, opening us to forgiveness, love, and compassion, not only for others, but for ourselves. At the same time, it energizes the solar plexus, reigniting personal power and authentic joy. Think of Ocean Jasper as a spiritual vitamin. It revitalizes your aura, balances your mood, and fills emotional gaps with calm assurance. It doesn't shout to be noticed, it hums, it pulses, it reminds you to slow down, breathe deep, and return to yourself. Its grounding energy helps empaths avoid emotional overwhelm. Its joyful vibration lifts those who feel emotionally numb. It teaches presence, like a Zen master wrapped in waves and sunlight. Even figures like Thich Nhat Hanh would likely have appreciated its message: smile, breathe, and go slowly. When used in meditation or worn daily, Ocean Jasper helps you reconnect with your natural state of joy. Not the fleeting joy of achievement, but the enduring joy of simply existing, being held by Earth's rhythm. So, if the Earth could give you a message today, would it sound like Ocean Jasper? Soft, steady, and filled with the kind of love that never needs to ask for permission?